My name is Les Carter, and you join me here today outside this individual bespoke property in the village of Bowers Gifford, situated on a wonderful private road within the village. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Beehive. This beautiful and individual detached home is a real rare find. Follow me and we'll take a look inside. You join me in the garden, which is an incredible space, very tranquil, very quiet, lots of different elements which we'll show you, one of which is this beautiful pond full of some lovely koi carp. Now this garden really does have to be seen to be believed. There's so many different things to do here. You've got obviously the pond, you've got a lovely decked area, you've even got Cluckingham Palace, a place for the chickens to run free. Over here you've got lots of lovely shrubs. It's a really beautiful landscape garden that the owners have spent many years cultivating to make it the perfect oasis that it is today. As you can see, there's lots and lots of off-road parking here at the front. You've got the detached double garage, and the side space here is fantastic. In addition to the driveway, which has got off-road parking for multiple vehicles, the side space here is perfect. If you've got a caravan, maybe a small boat, this would be a perfect place to house it off of the driveway. Welcome to the man cave of all man caves. Take a look at the space that's on offer here in this detached double garage. In fact, it's far more than a double garage. It's a workshop, as you can see, an incredible workshop that the owner has had lots and lots of fun in. He's spent years creating what you can see today. It's a fantastic space. To the top floor, you've got lots of usable space which could be converted into an annex, a flat, even a work from home unit. There's so much space, as you'll see. This really is a place that you're going to spend hours and hours of recreational time in this garage. The garage itself is very, very secure. There's CCTV and its own separate alarm system, which is individual from the main dwelling itself. You join me at the back of the garage, which is an ideal space for all your tools. It's a perfect DIY workspace. Just take a look. So there you have it. The Beehive really is a one-in-a-kind property. And it's being situated in this beautiful village of Bowers Gifford. There's so much here on offer. You've got the local convenience store on Pound Lane, which is perfect if you run out of milk or essentials. You've got the Greedy Chef Cafe at the end of the road here, which does a lovely breakfast. You've got the garden centre next door to it. You've got Westlake Park, which is fantastic for those recreational walks. You've got St Margaret's Primary School, which is a wonderful Church of England primary school, which is also connected to St Margaret's Church. And near St Margaret's Church, you've got the Bird Sanctuary, which is a fantastic place to go for walks. Acres and acres of beautiful walks. Bowers Gifford really is a place that has everything on offer. If you want to view this property, please give me a call today on the number below.